going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and it is time for another massive tech unboxing video. We've got a bunch of packages. Now, this time around, there's a lot of stuff that came from the P.O. box, so I don't know what exactly is inside of here, but we're gonna find out together. So, you know, grab your snacks, drinks, let's chill for a bit. All right, Ari, you know what the deal is.
Oh, I completely forgot. I hate this one.
How you gonna forget? We're 11 in.
Clothes.
This one?
Yeah,
You had to pick the hardest one to get. All right, so this is from the P.O. box. And huge shout out to all the companies who sent something over to be featured on the channel. Let's hope it's all good. Oh, all right, so this is a wireless smart plug. It's a big box for a small wireless adapter here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is it. This is the Pure Gear wireless power switch. So it has this code here on the side, which means it has HomeKit capabilities. So that means you can use this with HomeKit. Siri's gonna be able to control it, so you can do that right from your iPhone. And what I really like here is that this thing is really small and compact. So usually these smart plugs are really big and bulky. This one is not, and I like that. All right, so now on to the next. Oh, dang, is this a special edition? So this is Radiant Historia for the Nintendo 3DS. It's an RPG. It's surprising that there are any games still coming out for the Nintendo 3DS, but this was actually just released. You guys know I'm a huge RPG fan, so I wanted to get my hands on this. I'm actually pretty excited. It looks like it has a couple of cool stuff inside. So dope. 3DS, keeping it alive. Whoa, okay. This is from Satechi. Now this is a 75-watt multi-port power hub. Okay, so this is kind of like the Anchor one that I featured not too long ago, but this one looks like it has a bit more going on. Now, Satechi makes some pretty good stuff.
I like their stuff always looks so clean.
Yeah, they designed their stuff to work really well with Apple products. So, of course, this is some space gray stuff right here. Ooh, this looks clean, feels nice. So what I like about this already, it's got USB-C PD, so that's power delivery. That means it's gonna be able to charge up iPhones, fast charge. It's gonna be able to also charge up MacBook Pros or any other laptop that uses a USB-C port to charge. So it's got that power here. It's also got a quick charge 3.0 port over here, as well as two other ports with 2.4 amps. So you got a lot of juice here. You can do a lot of quick charging, which is nice. Usually there's only one quick charge slot, so this is pretty cool. All right, so lucky me, more Satechi.
Oh, what are the chances?
So, okay, so these are the clamp hubs that we showed last time, but these are in space gray, so these are gonna work well with the iMac Pro. So this one is from Tech Armor. Okay, Tech Armor, what you sending me? Okay, screen protectors for the iPhone 10. So these are tempered glass. We just bought tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 10s. If only we didn't wait to open these things up. But boom, here it is. Yeah, we missed out. We didn't have to pay for it, Ari.
I know, and those were expensive too.
They were too expensive. We got them from the Apple Store. Okay, so let's see. We got this one from, this is from Ghost Tech. Okay, so here we have them. So these are the Rapture headphones. They are wireless Bluetooth headphones. So I'm curious, let's see. These are way more comfortable than I expected. I thought that these were gonna be, you know, yeah, because they're square, you know, you don't expect it, you don't see the normal kind of air cushion padding over here. But when you actually put it on, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna have to go ahead and power these on, try them out, and see if they're worth their money. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the design? This is different looking, so it's kind of cool. Oh, and we've got a case to go with it. So it's like a leather, it's like a leather case with some red lining on the inside. All right, this is yours.
Is it really?
It's for home. Another box. So this is from Ventive. Let's see what they sent this time. All right, 3 times more powerful than the competition. Fast wireless it's a wireless charger. Yo guys, this is a display.
Oh my god.
Are you serious? Oh, there's a whole demo going on and everything. This is insane. Okay guys, so I think Ventive needs to win an award here for an awesome unboxing experience here. They've got a demo video going that you can control, hit different videos. This is just nuts. I'm like impressed with the box. I didn't even get to the product yet.
I forgot what the product was.
It's a fast wireless charger, Ari. So this is crazy. So this is basically what goes into a car. You throw this into your car, into your air vent. You just put it inside of there. It also comes with, you know, the little plug so you can put this in the cigarette lighter, as well as a USB cable. So you've got everything you need for fast wireless charging. Of course, phones like, you know, the Galaxy phones and all the other phones that support fast wireless charging can take advantage of this, which is really, really cool. That unboxing experience though, that's crazy. Clothing? Or is this a backpack? Interesting. This is a really, really lightweight backpack. Okay, so this is from Tronivate. It's a backpack that's supposed to allow people to pack a bit more easily. And this is a very interesting zipper system. Okay. Should we attempt a gadget backpack setup with this, guys? Looks interesting enough. I don't know if it has the compartments for me. I don't know how useful this would be, but cool, innovation. The smartest keyboard in the world. Okay, so check this out, guys. So this is a keyboard, I guess, with a bunch of programmable buttons. I don't know. So this reminds me of the Elgato Stream Deck, where you can program different scenes and stuff into it. So what this looks like is a keyboard that you can pretty much program to do any kind of commands that you'd want. So I'd look at these more like macro keys that you can have do all kinds of different things, like open up folders, launch applications, even open up websites and all that. So this is pretty interesting. I actually want to mess around with this and have it on the side of my setup and see how useful it could be to just jump into certain folders and sites with the press of a button. I like this. It actually feels high quality too. If you guys want to learn more, I'll have a link to this down below so you guys can check it out. Oh, okay. Oh, happy Chinese New Year. Okay. So this is from Abacus. They sent out a little goodie box for Chinese New Year. So let's check it.
Last week, so
Yeah, obviously we're a little late on everything because we saved it for this video, but this is cool nonetheless. All right, so let's just pull everything out. Oh, red envelope. Let's.
Put money in there for you, then.
I doubt it. Interesting. Oh, a little Rubik's Cube with a light in it. All right, so we've got what looks like a little jewelry box. Oh, there's little goodies in here and snacks.
Oh my gosh. Best unboxing ever.
Oh, nice. Ooh, this is heavy. What's this? Can I eat it?
It's probably a paperweight, Jeff.
Oh, probably. Okay, so we've got a booklet that mentions China's tech industry, more facts about Abacus. Cool. Oh, we've got a little something from Anker, the PowerPort Wireless 5 pad. This is really, really light. From Anker, cool. And let's see, these are the last two things. I've got a little booklet over here. Oh, is this like a notebook? This paper. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. I don't even want to write in this. I don't want to mess this up. This is awesome. This looks like another jewelry box of some sort, but. Oh, is this like a, what are they called again? Abacus, duh. Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. So we've got an Abacus here too. I've never had one of these, so shout out to you guys. Super stoked to actually check out everything inside of here. Thanks, guys. Oh, so these are some of the things that I picked up from Amazon. Now, I needed some surge protectors. You guys know how I feel about Belkin surge protectors. Now, this is great for those gigantic plugs that just take up too much room to share a spot with another plug. So you can actually turn these around and get them out of the way, which I really, really like. So I've got two of these. Definitely good for a setup. They've got 8 outlets. And I also got this RGB headset stand from Corsair. This is the ST100. This actually feels pretty solid. Of course you want that because once this is on your desk and you're throwing your headphones on it, you don't want it to move around. Also, I'm really liking what I see up top here because this is not gonna leave an indent in your headphone cushion where the headband is. So I like this design here. It might leave a little bit because there are some edges here. So maybe a little bit, but it won't be too bad. I don't know why they don't just make this a curved design. That way the headphones can sit on it with no problem, but if anybody who makes headphone stands is listening, that's how you do it. But it does have 2 USB ports, so when you connect this to your computer, you'll have access to 2 extra USB 3.0 ports, as well as a headphone jack, which actually just makes sense on a headphone stand, since your headphones are gonna be on this anyway. Plug them in, you don't have to worry about plugging them into your computer. Access it all right here, which is nice. And it's got RGB lights. I mean, how can you beat that? Okay, a vertical mouse, single color. So this is the V628. This is a really interesting design. I've never seen something like this. All right, if I could just get it out of the box, that would be nice. This is out of this world. This is nuts. So it is, like they say, a vertical mouse. You hold it like this, and then this is how you hit your buttons. This is a very, very interesting design. Okay, you can take this part off. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm curious to see how it actually feels to use something like this. The thumb also has 2 buttons on the side. Now, I'm not really sure what these are gonna be for, maybe going back and forward, but this is interesting. Oh, okay. So this right here is a Nintendo Switch battery case. I actually just did a video about Nintendo Switch accessories, but I actually picked this up because I was curious to see how it worked, but it didn't make it in time for the video. You just put this thing on the back of your Switch and you've got an extra 6,500 milliamp hours of battery life. So this is a full charge at least, and then some. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so it's got these little, buttons on the sides. You press them in, and then it pops open. You can throw your Switch inside, close it, and boom, you're playing. So I like this. I'm gonna see if it makes it hard to play or not, but I'm glad I picked this up. Okay, power up 3.0, 2.0. Oh, so this right here, guys, is a smartphone controlled paper airplane. The fact that we're controlling paper airplanes now. Before it'd be all in the wrist, but of course now it has an app and you're gonna be able to control it from your smartphone, which is actually really, really cool. I'm super excited to see this in action. If you guys wanna see this in a video, let me know with a comment down below. I'm hyped about it. If you are, let me know. But I'm super excited about this. Paper airplanes, getting teched up. So we've got 3 more. I wanna see what this is. This is a giant box. Oh yes, I did order this. So this right here is the K63 wireless gaming lap board. So Corsair actually has a wireless mechanical keyboard that can work with this, and I actually have it inside one of these things. But this is basically a lap board that allows you to use that wireless keyboard and a mouse at the same time while not sitting right next to your computer. You can kind of be a bit away from it, have this on your lap and play your games. But I want to see what the keyboard looks like. And boom, this is it. This is the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical keyboard. So this, for those gamers who want a mechanical keyboard but don't want to deal with the wire, there's now a pretty solid option from a company like Corsair. I heard about this a while back. The only thing that didn't really mesh well for me with this whole thing was that there's only one color backlight that it uses. It's just blue. But I'm still curious in terms of how it actually performs. This has Cherry MX red switches. So if you want that speed, you got this. So this is interesting. I actually like the look of it a lot more than I thought I would. This blue isn't bad at all. There's also an ice blue version out there, but this is just the regular dark blue. And this is the lap board. Now this thing is pretty big. It's not too heavy. And I like the fact that it has this nice padding. So when you've got this thing resting on your lap, it's not gonna be much of an issue. Okay, so it fits right in, nice and snug. You do this, have your mouse going over here. I like this. Maybe I can finally use all 3 of my monitors in that setup and kind of be away from it and be able to play and get the full immersive effect here. This is actually gonna be really cool to try out. All right, so I've got no idea what this last pack. Oh yes, all right. I know you guys don't care, but I do. Another Gundam, not playing. Oh, so this is the 00 Quanta. This is an official release from Bandai. I've got a metal build just like it, but it's not official from Bandai. But I am super stoked to have this. You guys know I love my Gundams. I don't have any more space for them, but I can't help but keep buying them, so here we are. But that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with what's inside, but I love it. That's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Shout out to all the companies who sent something over for us to check out. We've got a lot of cool stuff to sort through. I really wanna see what this vertical mouse is gonna be like. This has got my attention. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.